This vlog almost didn't happen today.
-3 wind chill, high of 10, batteries being drained.
Yeah, nothing worked.
Nope.
Yeah, boys! Woo!
Just finished a killer HIIT workout. My first one. I just got certified yesterday to be able to teach group fitness, so I'm super excited. And now that class is done, me and Adam are gonna be going to Keystone to go snowboarding for the day, so we're really excited to take you to the ski resort and show you the runs and see what the conditions are up there. So next time I see you, we'll be on our way. Good morning. We are officially on our way to Keystone Ski Resort here in Colorado. Last time you saw me, I was teaching a HIIT class at the gym this morning. I am feeling really fatigued and tired. So we'll see how today goes. It was a good workout.
Maybe a couple runs for Anna.
Yeah, you'll probably see me eating at the crepe stand, who knows. But it's actually our first time going to Keystone this season. So we're excited to see what the conditions are up there. It's really windy outside, which is kind of not fun.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to some wind.
And it seems like this season, the 2 dates that we've had booked are really cold and windy, so we'll see. But anyways, excited to take you there with us and, I don't know, show you the resort.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, they are doing ice racing. They have people on the ice.
We'll be there soon. Ice racing. Your GoPro's on the way.
This is Loveland Ski Resort, and you can barely even see it from here. Can't imagine what it's like to be just riding there today.
It's snowing up there and it's really windy, so who knows, we might just be eating crepes and hanging out at the lodge today.
We gotta do at least one run though.
We will do at least one run. Because we drove all the way up here.
We made it to Keystone.
We did. It's looking promising.
I know, I'm super excited. The sun's out.
Here it goes. All right, we are off.
Hello, hello. We just got off at Mountain House West.
Yep.
So about to go find a ski lift.
Powder! Yeah, boys! Woo!
We've been on 3 runs so far, and the snow has been absolutely amazing. It's like, well, how many inches do you think?
It's not like a 1 to 3 situation. It's probably like 6+.
Yeah, it's really nice. Like, it was like up to my knee at one point when I was going through the trees.
Yeah, there's some runs that have quite a bit of powder, and it's super exciting.
Yeah, pretty amazing.
Yep. Look at all this pow. Here we go.
It's time to find some deeper powder.
Still recording! Still recording!
I am such an ungraceful snowboarder. Isn't that crazy? Look at him go. Oh my God. Okay, let's go again. All right, so we're gonna go down. I think we're gonna go find some lunch now. This may or may not be our last run, but pretty excited to get some grub. It's been an epic pow day, so we're off.
We just finished, I think, probably our last run for the day.
I think so.
Usually once you have lunch, we're kind of done at that point.
Yeah.
I'm
Yay.
hungry.
Yeah, I think I will be once I sit down.
Yeah. Well, take you to see you lunch.
Bye.
Bye.
Woohoo! Thank you.
Is there anything else you'd like me to put in right now?
Oh yeah, I think our lunch.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna have a gorgonzola penne.
Penne gorgonzola?
Yeah.
Cool. And now the chicken caprese sandwich. Chicken caprese. Excellent. Best thing on the menu. Thank you.
Yeah.
Gorgonzola?
Yeah.
Ooh, good timing.
Oh yeah.
And the caprese. I'm gonna grab you some ketchup as well. Yeah, for sure. That looks so delicious.
I'm excited. I got the penne gorgonzola, which is really interesting because it has grapes in it, which I really like. So it's kind of like eating a warm salad that's pasta. I can get down with that. I really like it.
This is delicious. I had one bite so far. It is so good. It's got pesto, it's got chicken, tomatoes, and lettuce. Like, with rosemary fries, steak fries.
Ooh.
I know.
Ready to grab our snowboards?
Ready to go home?
Ready to go home.
How are you feeling?
My calves are so sore. My quads are so tired. But my belly is nice and full.
Today started off really shaky. I was feeling extremely grumpy between the batteries not working for the first 2 runs. And then I got stuck in some really deep powder that was up to my knees, which is awesome. But then I didn't go anywhere. I got stuck. I had to hike my way out. I was feeling so grumpy at the very beginning of this vlog.
I was having a great day. Like, I was having a ball out there. I was actually getting annoyed at him for keeping me waiting. I was. Like, I'm like, oh, this is great powder. And I'm like, I gotta sit here and wait like 10 minutes until you dug yourself out of snow, or he'd fall or go do something or mess around with the GoPro or try to get the GoPro to work. And I'm just sitting there like...
Yeah.
Because we don't like being separated on runs. I mean, we could be separated, but we don't generally like to for safety and just because we like each other.
Yeah, it's the whole buddy system thing.
Yeah, but I like him. I
Oh,
think, right?
thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. After 15 years, decide you like me?
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's nice.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. But anyway, the powder was absolutely amazing, though. It was at least 6 inches. It was pretty deep. And after about the 3rd run, the sun kind of came out a little bit, and the runs got really nice, and I had such a great time. And of course, you had a great time the entire time.
The whole time. I
Yeah.
mean, I told him to fix his attitude or we were going to go home. And he fixed his attitude and it was all good. The cameras worked. We got like 2 runs on video. We got to have a great lunch. And now we're going to go home and say hi to Tiny Dog.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any comments, please leave them below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have more subscribers.
And Adam will drop our Instagram handle.
Yeah, absolutely.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.